In this video, I'm going to just do a quick removal of the bumper cover. This will get you access to doing things like replacing the headlights, cleaning out the washer bottle, which I need to do, or possibly getting access to an area where you need to route your cold air intake. But anyways, it doesn't require a lot of tools. Let's see, we're going to be using like a 10mm socket, flat screwdriver, a stubby Phillips screwdriver. I think that's kind of about it. All right, so I got the car jacked up and on stands. And so we got clips 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across. Those are gonna have to come out. On the ends of the bumper cover, there's Phillips screws, 1 on each side. And then along the bottom, you'll see there's gonna be some 10mm bolts. So, actually I think I'll start with those. I actually have an extra bolt in there because I had an issue with this fender liner coming down. So I bolted it in place. It's because my bumper cover is a little bit damaged over here. Anyhow, so there's the underneath. Then we gotta do, I'm gonna take the stubby screwdriver and up inside here is a Phillips screw. This is pretty much the basic layout for most of the older Hondas. Okay, so that is now free. And then we'll do the other side. We got these clips here, and I like to actually spray a little WD-40 in there because it seems to make all the rubber and plastic stuff slide apart and together more easily. Alright, so I'm just using a flat tip screwdriver. We'll set those aside. Sometimes they come apart in 2 pieces. Sometimes they stay together. Some of them might be broken. But I'm trying to avoid breaking by putting the WD-40 in there. Seems to work pretty well so far. I think those clips might even be original. This is a 97. Sorry, let me correct myself. There's 7 clips. Along the top here. Might have to pull the ends downward because they kind of hang up on the clip that they're attached to. There we go. And now your bumper cover is off. Out of the way. Oh yeah, and that's the bumper impact absorber that just fell down. You can see it has a mark on it that says up. So that's how you know which way to put it back. All right, there we are. Bumper free. All right, bonus footage. Man, if you ever see this really sticky or feel this really sticky webbing, be careful. You might have a black widow somewhere around. I'm definitely going to use gloves for this one. I can see there's some dead spiders in there. So this widow has been feeding. So definitely be very careful when you're working inside of these cars, especially when they sit around wooded area or whatever.